from 10 days to 2 weeks early this year. And unfortunately, the crop is quite a bit lighter, which I think was responsible for such an early harvest. But as we always like to say in the wine business, that means a better quality wine. We were referring to it fast and furious. We were bringing in grapes almost every single day for the last 7 weeks. And the crop was a little lighter than normal, which meant that the grapes were maturing a little more rapidly.
Cold and squishy.
It feels good, it's just cold.
I don't know about feeling good, but it's definitely fun.
I guess we can go down. I know what I'm We hog. Those are good. Yeah. Enjoy, bye.
Quality's fantastic. We just have very little of it. Many of our vineyards yielded 50% of what our typical yields would be, but the quality is amazing. And just want to thank each and every one of you for just another great harvest. I know we worked tremendous amount of hours this year. And congratulations to you all. And hey, let's celebrate.
Yay! 2015. Yoo-hoo!